Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorsHub. Most of you have this question, how will TestCaseHub will help testers and developers? And in fact, like in many cases, it is going to help a lot the product managers, and the everyone. In fact, like whoever is going to test your application in some or other format. So sometimes what happen, like as a testers, our job is testing. So yes, we can think of like a lot of very good scenarios, but we can't think always same kind of scenarios, same good scenarios in all the time, like whenever we got a functionality to test. And most of the time we don't have the written test cases, written scenario. I'm talking about the ground reality, not like theoretical thing that yes it is we have documented. But in reality you will, yes, you will also agree that we don't always refer the written test cases. We most of the time we are not able to find them. Most of the time we don't have written test cases for the particular functionality or feature. So that's where it is going to help you guys a lot, like all the testers and developers, because developers are not coming with the testers mindset always. They think their test scenarios, their test cases always in a positive test cases, positive scenarios, that okay, if they have developed the login functionality, then most of the time they test like okay, with valid credential it is working, with invalid credential it is not working. But they are not going to test like thoroughly many a times. Sometimes they have to, but they miss many scenarios. So this is how it is going to help developers. This is going to give all the scenarios to the developers, that whatever, like let's say a developer has developed a login functionality and he has to test. So simply how you can open TestCaseHub, go and click here. You enter like on from the SelectorsHub website. Again, I'm repeating, selectorshub.com. Click on this explore TestCaseHub. It will open testcasehub.net. Remember, this is .net. We didn't get got the .com. uh, so here suppose I have developed, I'm a developer, I have developed a login functionality and I have to test that everything is working before I give it to the tester. So just search for login and here I will get the top class very good scenarios which has been added by whole community, contributed by the expert and really good testers across. So those scenarios you will get here, the top one, P1 priority, and that you can, if you have tested, then you can assure that okay, whatever you have developed, that is very good, and that's not going to easily break. At least the basic functionality, if you direct deliver that product, that functionality into the production, you are assured that okay, you have covered all those scenarios which are really required to test. But of course, like there could be some scenarios always there, like as per your specific and particular requirement, that you can of course test individually. And for testers also, like if I'm a tester, I cannot think of all these scenarios always what are there for a particular features. So that you will always find them documented here. At least a high level idea you will always get it here. There could be a lot of scenarios like which you might not ever tested in your career, and suddenly you got a test functionality or feature to test. So how to test, what could be scenario for them? Like let's say you haven't ever got the credit card functionality to test. I'm just checking, like if that will not be available here, it will show that okay, credit card functionality is not there. Okay, so like those scenarios are not here, so we can search it. Let me search for mobile number. Suppose you have never tested a mobile number field. So what could be the scenarios? So those scenarios you will get it here. Suppose you suddenly got a field to test, like email field, and you never tested email. So what could be the test cases, test scenarios? Of course, not all scenarios we can think of. So those scenarios you can get it from here. So this is how it is going to help a lot. Suppose you are a product manager and you want to make sure that your developer, your testers has not missed anything. At least basic functionality they have not missed. The corner, some of the corner scenarios they have not missed. So you can always come here, just search for the particular functionality. You will get the best class test cases, and then you just test in your application and deliver over the time. Again, I'm repeating, this is very beginning, this is very first release of TestCaseHub. We are just launching. Over the time it is going to evolve. You guys are helping us a lot, going to help us a lot. You will be submitting more test cases, will be adding, and it is going to evolve with the whole community support. And this will be this is going to help a lot everyone. So please keep supporting. If you find anything is missing, please add them here, submit, and that's how this will help you. Tomorrow this product will be ready for each everyone. Thank you. I hope you like the idea and this is going to help everyone. Thank you.